like to read a little more about snakes today.
Oh, you would?
I would indeed, but I'd like to do it very easily. Why don't we stand over here so we're
All
not in
right.
the middle of everyone.
You can come next.
Thank you.
Rattlers account for about 65% of the 8,000 venomous snake bites that occur every year in the United States, and for nearly all of the resulting 9 to 15 deaths. A smaller fraction of bites come from copperheads. Fewer still come from cottonmouths, and only 3 or 4 bites per year come from coral snakes.
I think you could do this.
Boy, I sure could. Of course, it's not the bite itself, but what's in it that makes all the difference to someone who's bitten. Scientists have identified more than 100 proteins in rattlesnake venom, including potent tissue-degrading and neurotoxic compounds.
How are you doing?
I'm doing better. My breath feels much more easier.
All right.
Typically, these poisons dissolve cells, membranes, and damage blood vessels, walls, triggering fluid and electrolyte imbalances.
I think this could be a little bit easier. Can't you just move with my hands here? There.
Whee!
Now what does that do?
That takes a lot of pressure off things.
Takes a lot of pressure off of here, doesn't it?
Sure does.
So you're going that way, and then this is moving. Now you must take this up as you walk, and you can read and walk if you want to. See?
Most snakebite fatalities occur 18 to 32 hours after evenomation, but death can occur within an hour, or it may take several days.
That's different.
That's very nice. Not the subject matter, but the moving sure is.
You want to get acquainted with the snakes.
Yes,
All right.
they're nice little fellas.
Oh.